So yesterday was a pullback day as far as the Wall Street is concerned, and we have seen all green across the indices, where Dow Jones leads from the front up by more than 340 points, S&P 500 up by 29 points, and then we have Nasdaq, which is up by 83 points. So it's a good, I would say, green day. I can't call it as a big pullback or a trend reversal, because all of them are trading somewhere in between the range or in a narrow range or near the support. So the thing is, green day in between, or I would say a silver lining in the dark. So that's what we have seen. So let us see what the trend is indicating as far as Thursday's close or close as on 2nd of March is concerned, and let us see what will pan out as far as 3rd of March 2022 is concerned. Now we can clearly see the same story has been playing out, and Dow Jones from the support level, or because it is trading in between a range, so from the lower end of the range you can clearly see a bounce back that has started, and it's actually respected, and it's a trade which is clearly visible. So from the support of 32,630 and stop loss of 32,500, it has already made a bounce back. And the good thing is, there is one more important resistance which Dow Jones has cleared, and that is or important level, that is 32,978 or 32,980. So going forward, if Dow Jones continues to sustain above 32,980, okay, we will move towards, I mean, as far as the trading session is concerned, we will go for 33,460. Although if you are looking at the big range, this is the big range which will push Dow Jones towards 34,000, but because we are focusing on today's trading session, so for today's trading session, if Dow Jones continues to sustain above 32,978 or 32,980, then we will go for 33,460 as far as today's trading session is concerned. Now talking about Nasdaq actually turns bearish. The reason is very simple, because the breakout that has happened, I think couple of weeks back, right now it turns into the resistance. So you can clearly see, although Nasdaq is trading very near to the resistance level, but we will wait for the breakout. So once Nasdaq started trading and sustaining above 11,550, then we can go for long. Okay, right now it is in the middle of the range, so on the downside we have 11,300 as far as the stop loss, and on the upside we have 11,550. So this is a no trade zone for Nasdaq, because you can take a long or short trade depending upon the breakout or breakdown. So let's wait for the Nasdaq to surpass 11,550 on the upside if you want to go long, and if you want to go short, then wait for Nasdaq to break below 11,300. So this is a no trade zone. As far as S&P 500 is concerned, obviously it follows the Nasdaq, but there is some leg room which is available for S&P 500, because if you are looking at S&P 500, what we can clearly see, here we are. So if we are looking at S&P 500, what we can clearly see, that it's also trading below the resistance zone. So you have your resistance at 4,100, but then again it has started taking support somewhere near, here we are. So it has started taking support somewhere near 3933 and started moving higher. So for S&P 500, there is still some leg room which is left as far as the upside is concerned. Mind you that this is happening within a range. So for S&P 500, we have our first target at 4018 or 4020, and then it may extend up to 4100, where it actually hits the resistance. Okay, so there is, even though it is happening within a range, there is still some bounce back which is left for S&P 500. So overall, the trend for Dow Jones is very clear, where we can expect a bounce back. Nasdaq is in a no trading zone, and if S&P 500 holds above 3933, it may extend up to 4018 and 4100 going forward. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.